The market is red, but still not taking the clear direction. And the same goes with travala.com, AVA, red to the downside, but not with the decision and the real momentum. I'm going to show you what's happening with the charts of travala.com, possible price predictions. Let's cook some price directions for the future. Interested? Stick around. If you are still here, well, thank you for still being a part of this video. As you can see, there is an extreme fear again, but that's nothing new. We're having 10, so maybe if you look into the future, we can say that this time of extreme fear that is lasting for now weeks, even months, is a great buying opportunity. Of course, in hindsight is always 2020. For now it's not clear. Dig a little deeper with your research. Maybe now is really the time for you to get in the crypto market when everybody is extremely fearful. Huh? As you can see in the top 10, red but small red. Let's say the boring red. Nothing to discuss. Kinda sideways move. We are still not taking that decisive direction to the downside or to the upside. Now all this to the side, let's talk about travala.com and what is the direction of that coin. You at least clicked because of it, right? There we are. Travala.com on the daily chart versus of course dollar, our greatest nemesis of them all. You see, anybody can see that this is a downtrend, so let's skip that part. And here it is, if it's not clear for you. So at least showing on this map from the April, we were in a downside trajectory. But if we go, you will see even bigger downtrend, but that is not important for this discussion. Now, according to this trend line that is pointing to the downside, you can see the points of resistance. Let's make it clear right off the bat. Until we do this and break the downsloping line of resistance, Travala will be bearish and stay bearish. Nothing will change that. Don't get too excited if we in the coming days, weeks, make a big green candle, but then face with big resistance at this trend line. Keep in mind that always we can do this and plunge to the downside, at least retesting those lows of around 60 cents. Those are all possibilities, and maybe that is the case. Maybe here we'll have a consolidative phase when we come to this line of resistance, get rejected, and then make a double bottom. Now it's still early to tell. I'm just saying we are still bearish. There's no bullishness around, of course. But take a look at this. If we draw this trend line at around 76 cents, you can see the pretty clear point of resistance. So anytime we come to this trend line, which is horizontal, we are getting rejected, right? Yes. Now let's make a bigger arrow because it is a big line of resistance. You know what's good thing about it? That Travala is making a constant pressure upon this line, upon this area of 76 cents. And here you have the proof. You can see higher lows constantly and still not breaking that upward sloping line that is crashing into that 76 cents. So in some sense, we are living inside of this, let's call it ascending triangle, a bullish reversal pattern. Maybe this is the case. And if you look at the way I drew it right now, it is the case. Ascending triangle, bullish reversal pattern. Maybe it's signaling the bottom right here. So your first line that you should be watching is 76 cents. When we break that line with momentum and possibly with volume, you can see that at this time volume is not existent. We need a bigger candle. Something like this would do good, right? That would be a clear confirmation. Green candle of breaking that 76 cents to the upside, okay? So that's the first level I want to give you, 76 cents. To reconfirm what I just said, I drew 21 exponential moving average to give you the clear picture of what is going on. If you still are not sure what I'm talking about, here, look at this area of clear resistance. We got heavily rejected 3 days ago, right here, we got rejected again. Consequently, this exponential moving average is standing at 75 cents. See? Now we have that conjunction of that horizontal support and resistance and dynamic support and resistance at this moment. Resistance of 21 exponential moving average. So 75 cents. I said 76, but whatever. We need a clear breakout of this exponential moving average. 21 exponential moving average. The very important one. It's giving a resistance, look at this, all the way from April of this year. So we were beneath it approximately 2 months now. This will be a first sign of a bullish reversal when we break 21 EMA. On the daily, it's still not the case. Travala is looking very weak. It can't even break that faster moving average, let alone the bigger ones. And you really want that bigger one, right? You want that price prediction. Here it is. 233 exponential moving average. Why this one? Why not? You can see why. Because $1.95. Now at $1.58. So bear with me now. When we break those conditions that I spoke all of the video, trend line 76 cents, 21 exponential moving average and 75 cents. So those pretty short-term trends, we will travel very probable to the $1.58. For now, this is a long-term story. Who knows when that will happen? I'm just giving you a price prediction according to this trend line, $1.58. To realize that target, AVA needs to get bullish, which at the moment is not. When the time comes, when the stars align, we will go to $1.58. Then we will see what will happen. Will we get rejected heavily, or will we wingle around that important exponential moving average and break out even harder than everyone is expecting? Keep in mind that target of $1.58 will go lower because that exponential moving average will be lower and lower every day because we are in a downtrend. So this is a dynamic target that I just gave you. Don't expect to the teeth at the day we come to the target $1.58. It's on today's day. Things change. Your mindset should be changing with the price. At this moment, travala is bearish, but the signs that I just gave you, keep an eye on them. Yes, a reversal to the bullish side is possible. You just have to be patient. For now, I'm giving you that whereabouts of $1.50. After a few weeks, months, we will talk in a different manner. And a few months back, we talk absolutely in a different manner. Watch this video. Click here. This is an old video of travala that I made a few months ago. Is it still relevant? Is it a bullshit postcard? You decide. Thank you for watching. I'm waiting for you in that one. Adios.